Adel għandha mistoqsija li anka jien għandi, I'm not very good with emotions. Does she go through heartbreak every time, Adel is asking? Is it heartbreaking every time?
Who?
For you, is it heartbreaking every time that you have to give up? Can't even say it.
Yeah. I don't think heartbreaking cuts it, to be fair. It's devastating. And it's mind-blowingly disgusting as an emotion to go through, because you have given everything, and not just not financial everything or tangible everything, the intangible. You have given your heart and your soul. You make it a point to show this child beyond question that they are worthy of everything that you can possibly throw at them. And this is what I meant when you become vulnerable. You give them your heart and soul, because if you hold back because you're worried about what you can lose, then you're already lost in my mind. If for me, I have grown so much from every loss, and I have learned so much from every child. And as a couple, we have become so strong that in my mind's eye, I cannot imagine doing something else.
Il-relazzjoni għamletilkom iktar b'saħħitha din l-esperjenza?
Considering, because it nearly broke us, it made us stronger. I don't know if that makes sense to anyone but me.
Entirely, yes.
But because we experienced the possibility of losing each other, and because we realized that ultimately it is each other that we want, therefore we had more to give to this child.
Mela, tlaqna?